Do you breed mosquitoes in your backyard? You probably do, and we have a solution for you. The mosquitoes that transmit Zika, yellow fever, and dengue develop in small containers usually found around houses. These containers hold water, and water breaks down insecticides, so control of these container mosquitoes is difficult. The Florida Insect Control Group has developed the zzzero products to save the world from mosquitoes. The zzzero products are devices that work together to eliminate mosquitoes, traps, and chips. Not the kind of chips you eat, but the kind of chips that prevent mosquito larvae from developing into adults. Our traps work because they're highly attractive to mosquitoes that enter, rest, and then die. A polymer-embedded insecticide coats the inside of the trap and contains two insecticides, one that kills adults and the other the developing larvae. Contrasting red and black colors draw in mosquitoes. Unfortunately, orange and blue just doesn't work. They're activated by simply adding water. The overflow hole maintains a surface above the water for the mosquito resting behavior. A leaf packet inside gives the water an attractive odor. The ribs reduce airflow. And silica provides a preferred texture so mosquitoes will rest, lay their eggs, and then die. The traps are environmentally friendly and easily used by placing 3 or 4 in an average-sized yard. The chips are also environmentally friendly. The polymer-embedded insecticide is a growth regulator specific to mosquitoes and other insects. They can simply be dropped into a bird bath, flower pot, or any other container that holds a small amount of water. Each individual chip can treat up to 22 liters or about 6 gallons of water. And according to the World Health Organization, the water is even drinkable, so it can be used around pets, birds, and wildlife. Speaking of water, that was the main problem that had to be overcome for these products to be successful. Mosquitoes need water to survive and reproduce, but water breaks down insecticides by hydrolysis. We had to develop a way to coat the inside of the traps and the surface of the chips to prevent this from happening. Our solution was to use a polymer-embedded insecticide, and this was no easy task. Our unique coating is a time-released formulation that uses amorphous silica to slowly draw the insecticides to the surface of the polymer over time so mosquitoes can contact them and die. When we tested the traps, 97% of the adult mosquitoes were killed in only a few hours, and the chips killed 100% of the mosquito pupae for more than 6 months. That's an entire mosquito season. Our findings were exciting because the Army had tested a different trap in Key West and didn't protect the insecticide from water. They put out 50,000 traps, the insecticide failed, and they ended up producing mosquitoes. Our devices have a unique time-release coating to prevent such a failure. Our traps and chips have potential for use worldwide. Right now, the traps and chips are being reviewed by countries around the world and registrations are imminent. The zzzero products utilize our latest technologies to save the world from mosquitoes and their disease pathogens. Here is your solution for controlling the mosquitoes around your yard.